So I started investigating on the solar panel. Then I saw on Twitter Vanadium when I was getting code from other companies as well. And I had a quick response from Michael, and yeah, he gave me details, and he offered to come down and do a drone shot of the roof, so you get a bit more accurate dimensions on how much panels we can have and where do we put the batteries, etc. So I think initially I was going with different batteries. Then I saw an ad on Tesla battery, and Tesla battery probably has the highest capacity as well compared to other batteries, and they're really small compared to other batteries with similar capacity. We found Vanadium, and I was looking for options with Powerwall, and yeah, they explained to me what's the best and how things work, etc., and how much I can save. And yeah, got the Tesla Powerwall installed. Yeah, I'm really happy with it. Yeah, hopefully that'll be my next step in reducing the carbon footprint. I'll get a heat pump next and remove my gas boiler.